Good morning, everybody. I got a little noisemaker here to wake you up early this morning. We got our 418 Windsor Stroker. Once again, here at Proformance Unlimited, we custom build engines. If you're just tuning in, this happens to be the 418 Windsor Stroker with about 500 horse. We custom painted this one for the customer. Got some nice red wires on here. And we'd like to fire this up and give you a little music this morning. Again, Proformance Unlimited, demonstrating that we can build the horsepower you're looking for and still keep it streetable. All of our engines are very streetable pieces. We dial these motors in to take the guesswork out. Many years went into designing some of these engines, and we do have the combinations you're looking for. So if there's anything we can help you with, 1-800-267-3940. And remember, the proof is in the performance. Thank you.